The Achievement Club is an awards program designed to recognize Bay East Realtors who have used the MLS and closed more than $3 million in residential and commercial sales and/or 10 transaction sides for the year. Certificates will be available the week of February 24th. Please remember to review your inventory on the MLS and make sure all your sales statuses are up to date to ensure you receive the correct certification. Bay East has generated dollar volume reports to identify all Realtor members who meet the following award criteria. If you believe you should be placed in a different category than the award you received or have sales generated outside the Paragon MLS, you have until Monday, March 23rd, 2020 to email backup documentation such as a HUD-1 or a letter from your broker to Amber Carnahan at amberc@bayeast.org. Congratulations on all you accomplished in 2019.